Good morning friends, today it's 8th of Jan 2025 and the technical outlook for Nifty and Bank Nifty futures for intraday and short-term time frame is as follows. So yesterday we have seen that post a sharp fall witnessed on Monday, the indices bounced back marginally and Nifty made the intraday high of 23,890 before ending the session at 23,795, up 0.3%. We continue to hold the technical outlook that trading below 24,000 and 24,200 as per the intraday charts, the bias remains range to down with important support at around 23,500 followed by lower lows. So overall, as per the oscillators, things are still balanced, but as per the price study, the bias still indicates range to down. Any kind of pullback towards 24,200 and higher levels should be looked to reduce the leverage long bets gradually and positionally. The index can drift down in days to come. For the day today, Nifty futures bias can be range between 23,580 and 24,040. Intraday dips towards 23,660 and 23,800 can be looked for fresh buying, while on the higher end 23,960 and 24,050 can be looked for selling, keeping the strict stop loss of 50 odd points. As per the weekly OI data for 9th of Jan, the maximum call build-up is at around 24,000, while the maximum put build-up is at around 23,000 strike price. If you see Bank Nifty futures, yesterday it bounced back. Up day before, the low was around 50,000 and yesterday high was around 50,720 before ending the session at 50,415, up 0.5%. We have mentioned earlier also that it is trading at a close to its positional support of around 49,500 50,000 zone, which is a support of the last 6 months. So that's an important level for bulls and a pullback can be expected. So in line with the view, we have witnessed pullback, but that pullback has ended marginally in green, up 0.5%. Positionally for short-term time frame, we believe that trading below 51,500 52,000 zone, overall the bias is range to down. The index need to sustain over and above 51,500 52,000 zone in order to nullify the ongoing negative pessimism and outlook over Bank Nifty index, while 49,500 and 50,000 remains an important support zone, but gradually it can be taken off as per the structure if it fails to sustain above the mentioned resistance zone. For intraday outlook, we believe that range to pullback will be there over and above 49,800. The broader zone intraday is 49,500 and 50,600. Dips towards 50,150 and 49,850 can be looked for buying, while 50,860 and 51,000 levels can be looked for contra trading shorts, keeping strict stop losses of 100 odd points. As per the monthly OI data, the maximum call buildup is at around 52,000 strike, while the maximum put buildup is at around 50,000 strike. So net 50,000 remains a make or break point in short term for the bulls on the lower end, while as mentioned 51,500 52,000 remains an important resistance below which the bias remains sell on rise for Bank Nifty futures in days to come. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.